Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can upload full-size profile picture on Facebook without cropping. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Facebook app right over here. And then from over here, all you gotta do is simply go ahead, go to the section of a menu, and then you will tap on your profile. Okay, so now tap on the profile and tap on this option of see profile picture. Select profile picture, and I'm gonna be selecting a profile picture for me. So for example, as this is the one, but the thing is it's already cropped out, right? So let me go ahead, go to the section of edit, and I'll have this. I can do nothing about it except changing the filters. So I'm gonna go to crop, and if I have to crop, this is the ratio. Okay, even if I want to change it, the only thing I can do is I can like swipe up and down, but I cannot change the ratio because this is simply the ratio of the Facebook profile picture. So we cannot do anything about it. We can choose to rotate it instead, so we can fill it to the level where you would want it to be. Otherwise it's not gonna happen anything. So you'll have to crop it and adjust according to your need, and that is basically it. So unfortunately you cannot do anything about it. You have to simply put the profile picture according to the set ratio of their Facebook itself, and that is basically it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.